Most people change a few Facebook settings and think they're safe, but privacy and security work together, not separately. In this guide, I'll explain advanced Facebook privacy and security settings in 2026 so you actually understand what to lock down and why. All right, before privacy even matters, secure access. Go to security and login settings. Your password must be long, unique, and never reused. Then enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. Without this, privacy settings don't protect much. Next, check where you're logged in. This shows every device and browser with access to your account. If you see anything unfamiliar, log it out immediately. Privacy doesn't matter if someone else is already inside. Now let's talk privacy. Open Facebook's Privacy Checkup. This controls who can see your posts, friends list, and profile details. Set these to friends or only me where possible. Public data is what attackers use to target you. All right, scroll deeper into privacy settings. Limit who can look you up using your email or phone number. Also, disable search engine indexing. These settings reduce how easily strangers can find and profile you. Next, connected apps and websites. Every app connected to your account can access some of your data. Remove anything you don't actively use. Advanced security means minimizing exposure, not trusting everything. Now in monitoring. Turn on login alerts for both email and Facebook notifications. This tells you instantly when someone tries to log in from a new device or location. Early alerts stop damage fast. Finally, reduce what your activity reveals. Limit who can see your likes, follows, and past posts. Less visible behavior means fewer clues for phishing, impersonation, and targeted attacks. And that's how advanced Facebook privacy and security actually work together. When access is locked and exposure is limited, your account becomes much harder to target. Quick reminder. Review these settings every few months. Real privacy needs maintenance.